fish, got a fish. Oh, little bass. Man, don't yank it too hard, you're gonna hurt him. What happened? Oh man, tangle. You gotta turn that more tighter.
Drag. I got the drag ready.
Drag.
Got it. Strong little fish.
Strong. I caught a big old catfish earlier right now. Gabe was jealous. A little.
Oh, it's tied to a line.
Oh man, there's a line on him. Gotta be careful with that. Pull that line in softly.
Pull my fish bowl.
Dang man, there's a line going straight down there. Let's see that little boy. Hold him up. Oh, so you're using my baits, huh? Use my little head.
Nice, easy release.
Let me see that. How much do you think that weighs right there?
2 pounds.
No, wait, don't throw it in yet. Let me get a good, nice look at that.
About 2 pounds.
Turn around. Ooh, that's a nice color. Just let it off easily. Get that boy off.
He's gone.
He's
That's
gone.
another one.
That's another one. We'll see you back when we got it back.